Guys, how are you? Hope you'll all fine. How to apply makeup daily routine. Start with clean your skin, moisturize the face, prime the face, apply foundation, and fifth concealer, sixth highlight and contour, seventh bronzer and blush, eighth eyeshadow primer, ninth eyeshadow, 10th eyeliner, 11th mascara, 12 eyebrow gel, 13 eyebrow pencil, 14 eyebrow powder, 15 lip primer, 16 lip pencil or 17 lipsticks or lip gloss. This is your daily routine makeup things. When you apply the daily makeup routine, you can apply these 17 steps more important on your makeup. When you start your makeup, you can apply these all steps one by one. First of all, you apply your skin primer, second concealer, third foundation, fourth highlighter, fifth contour, sixth blush, and seventh setting powder. When you start the makeup, you can apply these steps, follow these steps one by one. These things are more important to complete your makeup. And the third part is concealer hack. You need to know, first of all, use an eyeshadow primer. Second, define your eyebrows with concealer. 3, fix eyeliner mistakes with concealer and define your lips with concealer. आप इन चीज़ों को कंसीलर के साथ जो है वो अपनी मिस्टेक्स को सही कर सकते हैं. कंसीलर के साथ अपने आईब्रो की शेप दे सकते हैं, लिप की शेप दे सकते हैं, आईलाइनर की सेटिंग कर सकते हैं. Concealer is the most important part of your makeup when you start the makeup. The fourth step, you can apply on your makeup, nose contouring to slim and shape. First of all, you prep your skin. Second, you apply the concealer on your nose. Third, you apply the contour on your nose. Fourth, you apply the blend. You can blend your contour with brush on your nose. And the fourth part is highlighter. You can use highlighter on your mid of your nose. And the sixth is your final look is ready. कंटूरिंग इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर मेकअप. इफ़ यू फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स तो आपका मेकअप बहुत अच्छा होगा इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करने से. And the fifth step of your makeup, how to apply lipstick perfectly. This is the most important part of your makeup. The first step is apply lip balm, and the second step, wipe off the lip balm. The third step is apply compact, and the fourth step is line your lips. Apply to the lip liner, and the fifth step is apply lipstick. You can apply lipstick on your lips, and the sixth step is finish up with lip gloss. Lipstick is the most important part of your makeup. If you don't apply the lipstick, your makeup is incomplete. And the fifth part is brush guide for beginners. This is the most important part in this video. The brush is the most important part of your makeup, or for your all makeup. You can apply foundation with brush, you can apply concealer with brush, you can apply powder with brush, you can apply blush with brush, you can apply highlighter with brush, you can apply contour with brush, you can make eyeshadow with brush. Brush is the most important part of your makeup, the seventh thing which is connected on this brush. Without brush, your makeup is incomplete, because the brush is most important part of your all makeup. The last part of my video, which is very important for every girl, everyday makeup routine for beginners. First of all, you can apply the most important thing, moisturizer. The second, BB cream. The third, powder. And the fourth, blush. Fifth, eyeshadow. Sixth, mascara. Seventh, lip balm. And eighth, the most important part, which is finished all makeup, it is lipstick. Hey guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Fashion Trends. Like my video, share my video with your friends, and please press the bell icon for more update. I need your love and support more than more. Please press the bell icon for more update. My channel name is Fashion Beauty Trends. When I'm presenting the next part, please support my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.